So one common experience that examiners have when working with our focus mount positioners is that this locking mechanism will not tighten all the way against on the side of the focus mount so that the positioner will still continue to slide back and forth. One easy solution we have to fix this issue is that this locking screw may not be fully tightened. So it's a ratcheting mechanism, so if you disengage the locking nut and twist counterclockwise, once the lever re-engages, you can tighten that nut further against the focus mount positioner until it is tightly in place. Once you have the focus mount positioner tight, you can re-disengage the locking pin here, move that back to the fully tightened position at the 3 o'clock position, and then hopefully within half a turn you'll have the full disengagement so you can slide the focus mount positioner back and forth and then re-engage with just that 180-degree turn.